Good morning, students. Today you will do practice of unit 1 number. What is the first question? Expanded form. You have to write this number. This is the short form of a number and you have to write in expanded form. Expanded means इसको tens और ones में divide करके लिखना है आपको. Then how to write? In 2-digit number from right side. First number is at ones place and second number is at tens place. So how to write in expanded form? 9 tens means 90 plus 7 ones means 7. This is called expanded form. Next is pattern in numbers. You have to find out the difference between these numbers. How much difference between them? Like 15 after 19 after 23. So how to find out? Firstly, we will find these numbers are increasing or decreasing. These are increasing. So how much gap between them? 15 after count, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 4 number more are added here. So we will write here 4. 15 plus 4, 19. Again we will find 19 plus 4, there is 23. Now what will be the next number? 23 plus 4, 27, and 27 after plus 4, 31. In this way we have to find out which pattern is followed in numbers and how much numbers we have to add or subtract. Now look here, this is the 10, then what is the next number? 8, and the next is 6. So you can see here these numbers are decreasing. Okay, that is the forward counting. So how to do? 10. Now go back to the counting. 10, 9, 8. 2 numbers are subtracted here. Now again go 2 steps back. 6, again 2 steps back. 4, again 2 steps back. There is 2. Okay, in this way firstly we have to find out these numbers are increasing or decreasing. Okay, in that way you have to follow the counting. Now circle the bigger number. What is the formula to find out the bigger number? We have to check the numbers, their tens places. Okay, in 98, 8 at ones place and 9 at tens place. In same way in 65, 5 at ones place, 6 at tens place. Now to find out the bigger number, we have to check the bigger digit at the tens place. 9 is bigger or 6 is bigger? 9 is bigger. So which is the bigger number here? Whole number is 98. That is bigger than 65. Now same way you have to follow here. Right upper side tens and ones. Here tens and ones. Now check their tens place numbers. Okay, 1 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 1 balloon is bigger or 2? Which is in more in amount? Now 1 is small than 2. Then which is the bigger number here? 24. If they will find out, tell you that circle the smaller number, in same way you have to find out the smaller number. Okay. Now students, look here. Some other numbers are given here. You have to find out which is the bigger and which is the smaller. Okay, if the first these digits are same, tens place digits are same, in both numbers, then how to find out which is bigger and which is smaller? Then we will compare ones place numbers. This is the 8 and this is the 2. Now which is bigger? 48. This 8 is bigger, so 48 is bigger number. If they will ask us about the smaller number, then we will write here 42 is the smaller number. So which is the bigger number here? 48. If the tens place digits are same, then we will compare ones place numbers. What is the next? Put these symbols to find out the greater, smaller and equal numbers on both sides. Now how to find out? Same formula. We will find out their tens place and ones places. Tens place numbers are same. Now we have to find out which is the bigger number, 3 or 5. 5. So we will put this mark in front of 65 because always crocodile mouth open towards the bigger number. You have to make the imagine about the crocodile mouth. It always opens towards the bigger number. Okay. Now tens place number 2, here 2, ones place number 0, again 0. So these both sides are equal to each other. Now 84 and 33. Which is the bigger number? Compare their tens and ones places again. 8 is bigger or 3 is bigger? 8 is bigger. So there is no need to check the ones places. We will check only tens place. So we will turn this crocodile mouth towards the 84. Now ascending and descending order. How to set the numbers in ascending and descending order? Ascending means arrange the numbers from the smallest to largest number. Okay. So which is the smallest number here? Compare their first these numbers, their tens places numbers. Which are the tens place numbers are here? Because always compare the tens place numbers to find out the bigger or smaller. So 6 is small? No. 9? No. 2? Okay. And this again 2 is here. Now we have to compare both numbers. Though both have tens places numbers are same. Now we will compare their ones place number. So 0 is small or 1 is small. 0 means nothing and 1 means one value. It means 0. This is the smaller number. So we will write here 20. 20 after it's done. 21. These both are done. Now compare between 65 and 94. Which is smaller? 6. Comparatively 9. So we will write here 65. And next is 94. In this way you have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now in descending way, descending means biggest to smallest number. So which is the biggest number here? Check their tens places. 9 is bigger among them. So we will write whole number here 94, then 65, then in 20 and 21 which is bigger? Because we are arranging biggest to smallest number. 21, then 20. In this way you have to solve the ascending and descending order. Now students, look here. Now you will find out the ordinal numbers. What are the ordinal numbers? Those tells us the position of any object or person or anything, like 1. So how to write in ordinal number? 1, then ST. Okay. And how to write that in position? we will write it first. 2, 2 and D, and write in position way second. 3 in ordinal number 3 RD, and write in position way THIRD third. In same way you have to write the ordinal numbers from 1 to 10. You have done already in your book exercise also. Now we are doing quick revision, that's why I am not taking all the numbers. Now look here, make bigger and smaller number. We have this number 46. Now upper side we will write here tens and ones. Now we have to make here bigger and smaller number. I already told you that how to make bigger number by check their tens place numbers and ones place number. We have to use these two digits to make the bigger and smaller. Okay, so which is the bigger number in between them, 4 or 6? Which is the bigger? 6. So we will make 6, then we will write here 4. So this is the bigger number. Now how to make smaller? Which is the small number between them? 4. And which is next? 6. In this way you can use two digits to make the bigger and smaller number. Now circle the even number. Which are even number? Those numbers ends at 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at ones place. Those numbers have these numbers at ones place. These are called even numbers. Like we have 63. Which are the even number here? 63 is the even number? No, because we will write upper side tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones. So 3, this is not coming in even numbers because we have to check only ones place. Okay, so this is not even. Ones place 2, yes, this is the even number. This also even number because 8 comes in even numbers, and this also. Now circle the odd numbers. Some numbers are given here. Now you have to find out odd number. What is the rule for odd numbers? Those numbers have 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 at ones place. These are called odd numbers. So again we will check here their ones places. Those numbers have these numbers at ones place. These are odd numbers. 6 comes in that line? No. So this is not odd number. 7, yes, this is the odd number. This whole number is odd number. 43, this is also, and 21, this is also. In this way you have to do the practice of exercise unit 1 number and do the revision by following the worksheet. Thank you.